Hey everyone, MISD here from G200, and I am part of the AVID team on campus. And today we're going to bring you our very first 2-minute tip. Be looking for more of these 2-minute tips from staff members and students throughout the school year. So our first tip is about the Launchpad portal. So I need for you to really quickly do me a favor and go ahead and get logged in to your portal. Some of you call it My Apps, your class link. It has a bunch of different nicknames. You're seeing it on my screen right now. When you're in the portal, it may or may not look like this because many of you have not customized it and you haven't moved. So your portal defaults to alphabetical order. But if you look at my screen right now, you can see that the items on the top, these things are something I go to every single day. Did you know that you can grab your app buttons and move them around? So if I want that to go there, I just move it and then it's there. So if I need something to be in another location, I drop and drag. A lot of you have apps at the very, very bottom, like your student email or Skyward, that you use all the time. So take this time right now in your portal to grab those apps and drop them at the top. So to me, what I always tell my students, the top 2 rows should be the apps that you use daily or weekly. So for my class, students go to Google Classroom every day. I ask them to check Skyward once a week. They access the Drive. We work in No Red Ink. I'm going to soon be talking with all of you about student email. You should have your IO up front. So everything that you use often, top 2 rows. That's your 2-minute tip of the day. See you next week. Bye.